Can you say Happy Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving? Mom will be back. She loves you. Mom will be back. Okay, I'm on my way to Thanksgiving right now. I just got off of work, touched up my makeup a little. Here's my outfit. I'm so tired. It was such an exhausting day at work, but I'm ready to go and eat lots and lots of food. Say bye to Dior for now, and I'll be back later.
I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so I am home now. I did my skincare. I am fresh-faced and ready to go to bed. I have to open again tomorrow morning, so I have to be up at 4 a.m. So that'll be fun. When I opened this morning, which was obviously Thanksgiving morning, and it was crazy. So yeah, I opened tomorrow morning. I had so much fun spending time with family. I was a little late, like getting to Thanksgiving, because we normally do like Thanksgiving lunch, and I didn't get there till about 3 o'clock because I didn't get off work till about 2. So I had one of my aunts save me a plate of food, but by then like a lot of the food was obviously gone. But I did get like a piece of pie and some food, and took some food home, sat and chat with family, and then you kind of saw like a few clips, but we actually found some of my grandpa's things from World War II. He was a World War II vet, and he was stationed in Japan. So he had a lot of items from Japan that were in this like little keepsake box. We're still looking for one more box that he had, but it was super cool to finally like see the stuff, because I remember when I was little, I was so fascinated by all the things, and he just wouldn't let us touch it, and he wouldn't talk about like the war or anything like that. But now to be able to like look at the stuff, see the history behind it, is just really cool. If anyone can translate any of the Japanese that's written on the silk items or the images or anything like that, or can identify like any of the objects, please let us know. We're super interested. We're gonna try and figure out if we can translate any of the Japanese writing. I took a bandana and a little booklet for myself because we all got to take like a souvenir home with us, so I'm really excited to have that piece of history with me. And then I went and saw Michaela's family and also had Thanksgiving dinner with them. We listened to some Christmas music, and just talked about like the upcoming Christmas and what we were gonna do and stuff like that. So that was really fun. I haven't seen them in like 3 months, which is probably the longest time I've gone without seeing them in a very long time. So it was good to see all of them again. I'm excited to see them again in a few weeks for Christmas, which is crazy to say. I also went and saw my mom's sister, so my aunt. She just got back from the Philippines like a few days ago, so she brought home some goodies for me. I'll show you them in just a second because they're so freaking cool. I am so thankful and lucky that she brought stuff home for me. I am obsessed with all of it. Yeah, so let me go show you that stuff, and then I'm probably gonna end this little vlog here. Okay, Mr. Dior is also so excited for all of the goodies. But she got me this Philippines mug from Starbucks, which is so exciting. She brought me, Dior is sniffing my hands, so he's probably gonna move the camera. Oh yeah, you are just so handsome. She brought me back some of my favorite snacks from the Philippines. So we have tamarind. This is my favorite cheese. We can find it here in the US, but it's hard. And then some of my favorite pulveron snacks. These are really good. Tamarinds are some of my favorites. And then she brought me back this Life is Better with an Adventure in Manila, Philippines t-shirt. And it's so soft. I'm actually so surprised with how soft it is. But that's what she brought me back. Oh, that is just so attractive, Dior. And then the one thing that I took for myself, or the couple things, is this little art illustration book, which I am so excited to have. It just looks like really, really cool. And then I also took one of the silk handkerchiefs, and I just think it is so gorgeous. And this one has some writing on it. Sorry, Dior, stop. Ugh. I don't know if anybody else's cat likes itching their face on their phone. Let me know, because he does, and it is the weirdest thing. Dior. But yeah, Dior. Hold on, mom is filming. Hold on. It's just so incredibly beautiful. So yeah. We also got these plates. Everyone got one of these plates. My grandma used to collect plates. So I got Oklahoma, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the plate, but I guess it's kind of cool to have still. So that was my very quick, crazy Thanksgiving. Yeah, I wish I had more time to rest because I'm really tired, and today was so crazy at work. But I have to work Black Friday tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure I work Saturday and Sunday, and I don't even know when my next day off is. So I'm gonna go to bed because I am so sleepy, and I have to be up in like 5 hours for work. So yeah. Good night, goodbye, happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate it. If not, happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.